Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Brian, Ohio on this RCI-2995DXCF. Brian, we got it repaired for you. You'd blew the MOSFETs in the amp section. We replaced those with the ERF 2030 pluses. Should give you years of service. Then we just checked the alignment and got everything lined up with the new finals, the gate voltage, carrier level, and so forth. Other than that, you instructed that you wanted to leave it stock, so we did just that. So yeah, on AM, RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. So you see it's about 3 watts or so. And 25 all the way up. Current 50 watt slug. Hello. Hello. We're getting about 150 watts PEP. I'll show you average power. Let's just go over here. Hello. Hello. So we have some forward moving on average power, which is expected because you did want it left stock. Other than that, normally when we tune them out on AM, they'll go over 80, 90 watts, something like that on average. Other than that, it's good to go. Go over here to lower sideband, RF power all the way up. Current 50 watt slug. Hello, 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 hello. About 135. Roll it all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. About 75 or 80. Alright, Brian is ready to come back to you. Hope you get many years of enjoyment out of it, and I appreciate you allowing me to repair your radio. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.